Hello, so today we'll be making a kimchi pancake. Remember to like and subscribe. It was a very lazy afternoon, so I decided to make a quick and simple lunch. Let's begin. Pour half a cup of flour into a bowl. Does not really have to be exact, you can just estimate accordingly. Add kimchi. So over here I added some leftover kimchi from the night before, and I'll top it up with some kimchi from the jar. Add some kimchi juice as well as water. As long as it adds up to a 1:1 ratio with the flour, it doesn't matter the amount of kimchi juice you add in, or you could even not add in kimchi juice. Mix till well combined. Mix, mix, mix. Oil a pan and add some garlic to stir fry. You can add some meat or seafood at this juncture if you want to amp up your pancake, but I was just going for a simple one. Stir fry till the garlic is fragrant, then add half of the kimchi mixture. So half a cup of flour actually makes 2 small pancakes and 1 big pancake, so you can choose the pan that you use or adjust accordingly. Remember to constantly adjust the fire as well as to loosen the bottom of the pancake from the pan such that the pancake does not burn and crisps up nicely. When the bottom of the pancake is cooked, hold your breath and do a flip. Add some leek to the top of the pancake while the bottom is cooking. Make sure to continuously loosen the pancake from the bottom of the pan and adjust the fire to prevent burning. Give the pancake a little pat to make sure it's thoroughly cooked. There you have it!